There's a pileated woodpecker on my dead oak tree. I'm off Potterton Drive here in Falls Church, Virginia, and it's late March. And there's a pair of these birds. They look the same. I don't know if they're both males or if that's just the way the species is. But I've got a dead oak here that I left standing in the hope that these woodpeckers would stop by. And this is the first time I've ever had a good chance to video them. And I'm hoping the other one will come over. He's off to the right now, working on a stump on the neighbor's lot. And if he'd come by, I'd get 2 in 1 shot. That'd be like hitting a grand slam. There's a pretty good look at him. The batteries are getting low, so I might be out of luck here. Here's the other one. Just saw him fly by. See if I can get them both in 1 shot here. If the other one will come around the tree on the left here, you'll see 2 in 1 shot. Come on, bird, cooperate. There he is. No, the other one got scared off. There they are. There they both are. Unbelievable. There goes the other one. God, these things are just incredible. Hopefully we'll hear them call. It's a pretty good look at a woodpecker in action. They're unbelievable birds, and I'm really delighted that they are hanging out here. I've worked hard to set up my backyard to accommodate them, and there they are. Pretty remarkable. Oh, just knocked a chunk of bark off. I think I lost track of him there. There he is. Well, that's a good look at him. Shooting this from my bathroom window. I got the 12 times telephoto out as far as I can take it. And I must say these woodpeckers have really been put on a good performance. Couldn't have asked for a better performance. We'll see you later, Woody.